If you want to use voice typing on a Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, first of all we can open Settings, then we're gonna go to Additional Settings, and over here choose Languages and Input, then go to Manage Keyboards, and then Gboard, because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now in here we can find voice typing, which of course should be enabled if you want to use it. We can also enable faster voice typing as well. Now after that, if you open Keyboard, you should be able to find this microphone on the right side, and you can tap on it in order to start saying things out loud, which should be converted into a text. Unfortunately, it seems that it didn't work for me this time, so I'm gonna tap again, and let's see if this time it will be converted into a text. Unfortunately, no. And there we go, there is actually "and." I'm not sure why it's not working so well. This might be just like a temporary issue. Usually it works just really well. This time I guess I'm just unlucky. Nevertheless, this is how it looks like, and you can also tap on the microphone in order to turn it off in case it doesn't automatically turn off after ending your sentence. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.